welcome to Cooking with V. I was just showing you guys I'm going to do a seafood boil. And I'm just cleaning the snow crab. I got a few snow crabs, Dungeness crabs, king crabs, some shrimp and lobster tails. Look at this big old cream crab, y'all. That boy is humongous compared to this one. Yeah, so, and I got some shrimp to do. And I'll be back, you guys. Okay, this is the seasonings I'm going to be using just to season the pot. This is the Smackalicious sauce. Beloved sauce that I have left. I'm going to make a, for them to dip it in. But to season in the pot, I just got Old Bay, some parsley flakes, some Tony's, some Slap Your Mama, Mrs. Dash, garlic and herb blend, corn, and some red skin potatoes. This is the pot for the crabs, and this is going to be the pot for the potatoes and corn. And I'm going to season it now. A little bit of Slap Your Mama, a little Tony's, Mrs. Dash, garlic and herb, Old Bay, and 1 stick of butter. Okay, I gotta add the garlic. I'm doing the same thing to this. Okay, we got the corn, eggs, and potatoes in here, butter, and then over here we're waiting on this to boil for the crab legs. Okay, my daughter is making her beloved sauce. It's too spicy for me. She added her some garlic. She got her butter. Got the crab legs in and king crabs and lobster tails. She's making her beloved sauce. Corn and potatoes and eggs are in here. Yes, yes. Okay, this is the finishing touch, you guys. Finishing touch.